Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Thomson Reuters Practical Law for AI workflows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Thomson Reuters Practical Law website. Locate the register button on the home page. Click on register to initiate the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. Select your organization from the provided list, or choose the option to enter it manually. Provide any additional requested details, such as job title and department. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Submit or Register button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link. This step will activate your account. Return to the Thomson Reuters Practical Law homepage. Now click on the Login button. Enter your registered email and password to access your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard for AI workflow options. Utilize the search function to find relevant resources and tools. Check the training materials for guidance on optimizing AI workflows. Start integrating AI tools within your legal workflows effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.